I'm gonna show you how to unlink your Zoom account in your Builderall. So to get started, all you have to do is just sign in into your Builderall account, and then from there, all you have to do is just go to the left side pane right here, and then click on build, and then click on build a booking calendar. And then once you click on booking calendar, it will just redirect you to a next page where you can see all of your booking calendar edits. And so from here, all you have to do is just click on integrations right here. And after you click on integrations, it will just redirect you or show you all of the connected apps or integrations that you have in your account. So when you click on integrations, all you have to do is just scroll down and locate Zoom. And so from here, all you have to do is just click on the trash bin button right there beside Zoom, and then delete it. Make sure that this integration is not being used by any groups, so you can safely delete this one. And that's it. That's how you unlink your Zoom account in Builderall.